Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to go over the steps on how you replace this inner tail lights on this Buick Enclave. This is for models 2018 and up. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to open the lift gate, and then you can see the trim here needs to come off. Now this trim it simply pops off. Don't use a screwdriver, but use a plastic remover tool on the side and pop that down. You can see that all that's held up is with these clips right here. So these clips just basically pop off. There is right here where you have the door handle, there's one 7mm screw right there that needs to come off, but its cover has a little plastic right there. So where you put your hand to pull this down, that's where the screw is. It's got a cover on top. Pry that, remove that, and then you'll see the 7mm right there. But besides that, there isn't any other screws on that. It just pops right down. Once that comes down, then you'll see there's these nuts. They're all over. There's several. There's one there, one there. There's one inside there. You have to remove it. This had a cover on it. Remove that. There's one there. One there. There's one back here. There's another nut there. One nut there. One nut there. And once you do that, then what will happen? You basically have removed all the bolts for the chrome piece. Disconnect these right here. This one you just press, but this red one you'll have to pull this piece right here out, and then press and pull. These ones are pretty easy. You just press and pull. You have one on the other side. So this is the wire for the tail light right there. So once you do that, then you can come here and this whole piece comes off. And see, you can pull this off, and once you have this off, the tail light comes off. But you make sure you want to lift it on this side, because it's got two clips over here, so you can't just pull it straight back. You're gonna lift it and move it, just kind of fold it over, and that will allow you to remove it. That's it as far as the procedure. You can see there, and that's how it comes off. Okay, because on the side here you have two little clips. When you reinstall, you want to make sure you slide it off first on this side like so, then push it down. Okay, and you go ahead and reinstall those nuts that you removed, all of them, and put the cover. The cover just snaps right back on, and you don't forget to put that screw right there. And that's it. Thank you for watching.